Today we're coming to you with the Real Avid Accu-Punch hammer and roll pin punch set. I purchased this on Amazon.com and it was $39.99. I'll provide a link in the description below where you can purchase this if you'd like. Take a look here at the packaging. It's a little hinged hard case here with a latch on top. Look at the back here. I'll have some still photos at the end where you can check out this stuff here, information if you want to. Be a little bit of resolution. Let's see, let's open this thing up. It's got this little hanger on it. We'll get rid of that. And it looks like we have a zip tie holding it shut so it can't be opened till it's pulled loose. Let's get that loose. There we are. So let's open it up. There's a little sliding side latch there. It folds open like this. Whoops, what did I drop? And then, you know what, let me adjust my camera up a little higher. It's not getting this thing all in the shot. Let's see. That looks good. So there we are. It sits there, it folds open and sits in place for you. Put those back. So it comes with this little hammer, and it has some different non-marring faces. There is a, let's see here, what do we have? This is nylon, rubber, steel, and brass, and then they unscrew, and then you can install the other ones on. Take that to the side here. We have a 1/16, a 5/64. Well, that's the 5/64. 3/32, 1/8, 9/64, and then let's see here. Well, my information I have wrote down here says a 5/32, a 3/16, 7/32, and a 1/4 roll pin punch. And then there's this 5/16 non-marring punch. It's like a finishing punch that you can push it in the rest of the way without marring your equipment or your part. Has this little tweezer, what do they call it, a pin alignment tool, so you can hold the pin in place while you hammer it and not smash your finger like I usually always do it. Actually, I just noticed it has this little what you'd call it, it's a lock so that you can stick the pin in there and it locks down so you don't have to be squeezing the whole time you hold it. But yeah, that's going to save some fingers from hitting with the little hammer. It's about all I have as far as information about it. It looks like a nice little set. They do have another set that's they call their long pin long punch set. I actually, truthfully, I thought that's the one I was ordering when I ordered this, although I do like the fact that I got roll pins now, roll pin punches. I had some before, but they were really cheap and really bent easily, so I'm kind of excited to get these. In the future, if there's interest, I may actually order the other set with the other punches and do a review on it. So if you have any questions or comments on this set, feel free to drop them in the comments section. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, feel free to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. It'll let you know whenever I post a new video. It's been a little while since I posted. I'm doing a group of videos here, and I'm hoping to start posting more regularly again. I don't know if I'm going to be doing the one video a week like I had in the past, but I'm going to try to do at least multiple videos per month. I'm just kind of finishing up, getting settled after a move, so been a little bit of changes and haven't had kind of the area set up and whatnot to do videos, but hopefully we'll get back to it like we were before, and I appreciate y'all watching, and have a wonderful day.